Hello, thank you for choosing Hydrogen. This video is a step-by-step guide to setting up your machine. Let's begin. Unscrew the cap from the tank and fill it with water until the buoy inside floats up as far as it will go. In a few seconds, you will see the water reach the tank and soak the sponge. Wash the jug and lid with a soft sponge and water to complete the preparation. Connect the appliance to the mains, ensuring that the voltage is correct. Fill the jug with low mineral content water. Ensure that the lid is on correctly and that the transparent disc is floating on the surface. Place the jug on the base, lining up the arrows. Press the start button gently once, twice, or 3 times, depending on the number of minutes you want to program. The jug will light up in blue as the hydrogen starts to ascend. The timer will count down to 0, and the appliance will emit a sound when the water is hydrogenized. When the cycle has finished, the appliance will continue to generate a small amount of hydrogen, and the water will stay hydrogenized indefinitely until the jug is removed. To cancel any operation, keep your finger on the button for 2 seconds. The droplet light will warn you when it is time to fill the tank. Use a moist cloth to clean the body of the machine. Wash the jug and lid at least once a month with a soft sponge and soap. Every time you wash the jug, fill it with tap water and disinfect the appliance with the cleaning program. To activate the cleaning program, keep your finger on the button for 3 seconds until the jug lights up red. To keep the electrode free of limescale by generating ozone in the jug instead of hydrogen. If large quantities of limescale build up, use the cleaning program with half a litre of tap water, adding a quarter of a bottle of the citric acid provided. To avoid problems with hydrogenated limescale, always use water containing less than 100 milligrams per litre of residue. Hydrogenate the water as usual, activating the panel with short touches. When moving or storing the appliance, first empty the tank by removing the cap from the back. It is best to drink the water on an empty stomach, for example, while fasting or before meals. Hydrogenated water keeps its charge for 6 to 8 hours under normal conditions. To keep it hydrogenated indefinitely, store it in glass bottles, completely full. This is the best way of storing it in the refrigerator, moving it and even shaking it without it losing its properties. If you think that the water has lost its charge, hydrogenate it again. It is impossible to overload it because the excess hydrogen evaporates. Lastly, you can leave the machine hydrogenating all night or all day. This way, you will have water with the maximum charge whenever you need it.